Zavia here. I just wanted to do a really quick video. Yesterday I took my Zino out into the forest. It's still pretty flat, but I was closer to the mountains. It was really windy. I couldn't tell you what the miles per hour was. I didn't even look at that, nor at the temperatures. I do know it was probably in the high 30s, maybe low 40s, and the wind was picking up quite a bit. So I took the drone out. I have it auto lift or auto start, and it immediately wanted to almost drop to the ground, so I had to manually lift it, give it height. It was moving around quite a bit, even with the GPS lock. The hovering, the wind was really pushing it around. I have noticed that the Zino does a lot better with the hovering at higher altitudes. So I put the Zino up only about 20 meters, hoping that would fix it. And then I attempted to fly it, and it looked like it started to take off on its own. Luckily, I let go, and it continued for a little bit. I don't know if that was from the wind. Could have been, but I immediately just brought it home. I just did the return to home at that point, and that was the extent of my flying yesterday. Again, I don't know. I have heard reports of Zinos taking off on their own. I don't know if that was what was happening or if it was just because of the wind. I'd like to think that that's what it was. I have been getting asked about the new software, the firmware update that came out yesterday. I have not updated it yet, and I was hesitant to do so, but I'm going to go ahead and bite the bullet, and I'm going to update it today. So wish me luck, and I will upload video tomorrow with results of the newest firmware update and with its flying capabilities. See if anything changes or if anything happens. So anyway, I just wanted to give that update. Thanks for watching my videos and giving me all the feedback. I really appreciate it. Thanks, and until tomorrow. Bye.